How to edit video in Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can edit video in Instagram story. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up Instagram and you can tap on your story plus icon, and here if you select a video, I'll just select a video quickly here. As you can see here, you can see the little icon, this sparkling stars icon that you can see at the top. You can tap on it and now you can add your filters to it. Now similarly, if you want to add text, you can tap on text and add text. Now to resize it, you can use two fingers in and out to place your video or to zoom in or zoom out. Similarly, if you want music and such, you can tap on the little icon between the text and the sparkling icon there, and here you'll be able to add in questions, location, mentions as well, and music, photos, such, and you can use emojis as well. Now if you wish to crop the video, however, then there is no any option in the story itself. I've already made a video on how you can crop video in Instagram story. You can check out my channel. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.